Janbiet kaba suk to kabagman suktenan idan lang hari akadiga no pasi di ko ngay sa pagpao sa sumo ya ublay ng buong tao palari lada lasmari ni nado na iya hado kaniga jaga tapi tenan ba isuk yang lo hayang da kajiga ng jong buong tao first and foremost, it is my great honor and privilege to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Sir Shri Satindra Kumar Bhala, ITS Secretary, NEC Shillong. We are truly grateful and delighted to have you with us today, sir. Nga Priyam Subharu ya guest of honor is Shri Robert Lindo, CEO, Jungga Migran H Limited. Priyam Subharu, sir. And to our special guest, Sir Dr. N. Munich Singh, Zonal Director, ICCR NER. Di hari pun Priyam Subharu ya Madam Chiri Economic Advisor NEC nengta ya Sir Nick Kalkomor badai Project Director jangka Hilum di kalian nengta ya Sir Kal Renja badai PRO napo di IPR Priyam Subharu badai dan ini ikong sini kong tiang nengta Priyam Subharu ya Ba Rafael Wajri Priyam Subharu hani ukur ya Dr. Chiri na Media Department sa Japanese Priyam Subharu ya Dr. Srinda Jakar Department of Hasi di hari ukur Priyam Subharu ya iwe tergelak berklet ya di Presiden Iba Komandan Champion Badi lupa di Kristen juga pengalaman pulau yang di Kuala Mentasi. Jadi Priyam Subharu kunjung yaki members jom kami firma. Iwi kunjung Priyam Subharu nado ki producer, ki director, bad ki artist, atau tu pelangok dan ki ngawai ngawsat, ki aktor actress berenang ini Priyam Subharu ki iwi. But dada Priyam Subharu pertama dada ya dulu ngaplat baca penting ya piu ketika Priyam Subharu kepada usaha ketika no paisi. But yang kedua ini hadir lah ilayo ketika Priyam tolong free so kung kaya kepada kejauh hadir dan hindi sudah sonongwe malah ilalong lang juga Priyam Subharu iwe. Bapak tu suwi ni ladang komplet ilo haga di kapor. Tetang diri ngai teki iwe besubun Islam defirma.
Hello. Thank you so much, Sir Lanshu Simle, Vice President of MEFILMA, for welcoming each and every one of us. Ladies and gentlemen, film industry, cinema is all about entertainment. Are you ready to get entertained? Yes or no?
Yay!
You're all artists. Bishongangi Baro, Waladaku Mahangam Reiba Akamo about film, and Repadea, I'm also an artist. Nada Mibathaka, an artist. No, every one of us here is an artist in one way or the other. So we all are entertaining our society in one way or the other. Are you all entertained? Yes or no? Are you all excited? Okay, today, ladies and gentlemen, to aiba kabangi apane bagi shamne kanong long kaski kaba shusa tali ki wei nrekan day kaski kaba bishong hagat to kajaga kaba bishong kaba bi I'm in CM yaki nong shna filmmakers, okay? Shong to I'm in CM da kaba dengina thapti jam yen I'm in CM da kaba yen kan hoi jam. And I'm in Sim the Kabinishon, the Convincium Kabalong energetic. When you are energetic, ladies and gentlemen, the program is energetic and you feel good. Yes or no? Hi! Lagi na buhay, kaya okay mo, oh, name is Mani Sharma, ladies and gentlemen. Without further ado, I would now like to request Jinwell Kong Kleon to please come forward and to entertain all of us.
Oh, check. Check. Taking this opportunity, I would like to welcome special guests without taking their names. Let's say but not people think it's okay. But I'm suha ya baro kamtam kini ki teva view but ki rakbabri jugi job jela jugi. Jadi ini apply vi kau ingin jiwa yang apa? Tahu semua ada kesetunan sangat visual aku kejiwaan. Oh, very track. Kuningan wajah Hapling jengit masih siap Tinggal berjalan Kamu kemalanmu Ya tinggallah bahkan Season batu dan kawan Mengapa ya Kawan malalu Tertiru kakelu Coba bilang dan nenek dan aku kalau kita terkawin, boleh hendak mengaisu, seperti kawan dan nenek untuk Chính chỉ cho ngày ở khi đã in hồ mà hay đã luôn xịt nằm qua băng thông mà đây nó luôn rồi đã thì qua trong sâu ấy hàng cái chính chỉ cho đi vào đây để tạm mất khi mà Sama
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Jima Kongklian, touching our hearts with his beautiful song. Ladies and gentlemen, Jim Pakni, come on, Jama, come on. Okay. Ini Pakni, aduh, Kibri, your social media thing. What is happening there? We would also like to join you to be comment on, okay? Thank you so much. Once again, Jane will come up for that beautiful song. Ladies and gentlemen, every organization is guided by a vision. And a vision needs a leader. Ladies and gentlemen, she's Ya Isa, Commander Shankran, President of Meghalaya Filmmaker Association, to address the gathering. Sir.
Thank you, Miss Anisha. Shri Satinder Kumar Bhala, ITS, Secretary of the Northeastern Council, Shillong, Iba Robert Lindo, CEO, John Kamekalian Age, Dr. N. Munish Singh, my very good friend, Zonal Director of the Indian Council for Culture Relations, Kong Streamlet Khan, Iba Alan Tree, Iba Nick Napa Yellow Neglia, Lancius Vice President, the Jong Camellia Filmmaker Association, mayroon punta ketika National Film, lalu di aktor, di supporting, di nung shot, di nung sina, di baring, pagpunta ketika berlaku, di parlok itu na di bayaran lang kita, ba middle sing, di dalam juga 4 itu. But ya baru film dah jar keteng, tumjuru kamtam ni gitu di Malaysia, badai ki nomini namun tak ketika award ya kapan sa sam tak ni, langsung priang subhai ki baru ketika jingra ke kapan hadrus nem jong seng kejongi. to the Secretary of NEC, yes sir, this is the Foundation Day of the Filma, which we celebrated today, the 16th Foundation Day. In fact, I'm very grateful, sir. I initially approached the director of the IPR and the NEC, and then IPR, he guided me to Madam Cherry, advisor of the NEC, and then, yeah, of course, she guided me to meet Sir, the Secretary of the NEC, and in fact, we are very glad, sir, that you have come to grace this occasion for our celebration. Hopefully, sir, in next maybe years to come, we from the association, we would like to seek support from the ministry. Yeah, I know you have a lot of department under NEC. So one is IPR, which is related to us, and then yes sir, we would like you to guide us and support us for the development of the filmmaking in the state of Meghalaya. Ngis dokumen sikadaya namar pi haga karkhana snaflim kajoni damdene kidamdan kibakliana dan di press kliena yang pa ki challenges ke pi ya gendo na kabenta ka kam snafil te nang ye thu ba di challenges si kawai ke ba kam kongsan ke ba ke kalong ba gimdan ye kiniki cinema hall gimdan ye ki cinema hall bangin pengi ya di film bijongi te kani kicing pat ngidon ke biju Unsua abang ini film bijongi ki yashim arkosan persen adu laiko bentak yashim 10% harga first week, second week yashim 50%, harga third week pada yashim nila di berukau ki ayini tan 10%. Ela dan iyo iyo kalau jinggu nam. Subuh harga last week la dan iyo subuh iyo tam iyo silak. Berukau aja ni hak ayu and then sapu aja yo bengi kinang Islam. Tengah mud bangong. Bangi slow kemen bangi don hangye. Ya nong nikmat ubayalam meka hello Meghalaya. Iba Robert Lindo ya kaba nilayo ya ka OTT platform ka hello Meghalaya. La kumno niyo hi bantep angto. Tengah kwa bantren nakabasyay bahwa ni dokumen sir ya kajingdon ke Hello Meghalaya andai kampat biang bangin kiu hakani ka kam snafel kum baki we to the government that at least the government should build infrastructure in terms of cinema hall, theater. And we from the Filmmaker Association, we assure the government that from those cinema hall, the government will earn revenue in terms of percentage, GST, but giveaway. But what we expect that the government will not charge like 60% or 60% as the some individual exhibitor are there. Maybe the government, if can come up with an idea of construction of cinema hall, they can give a lease maybe to anyone who is interested to run the cinema hall. And I know the government will make revenue out of the cinema hall across the state. But ganito yapi kinong act ni balay nata nimpat don hakataka level bangin siu yakini kinong snaflim daki bun lak oi kila don bangilala ban siu lak. Dari ganito yapi baru-baru daki wait ngimpat poi daki bunlak kumbalong syasam lani kumbalong kasau kali itu nanya keren kasau kali kilatam buat ye ini di Bollywood bro te lana kadon ke jingni nak ini cinema hall te ngiro kamdon ke jingni bangin siu kambun ya kinong yashim benta Tengah kuah kawai ban keren ni pi artis bagi di bantuan ke jingnya teli. Ini bantuan ke jingnya teli lang kawai. But lara bangiran ke jingnya teli. Ke government lo kumba kala yarap ini. Lengba ke hello mekhalia but ki donro ki balayo ya ke gerak. Ini sekarang ada ngiran ke jingnya teli. Nang nisik makin nang la nang kentiu susu ini ki nong film. But nang scam kawai kasni lara ngakot ya pi banong ya film batnya. Hinsa ong. Lada PI kata lak dengan ak, lada PMI dengan ak. Dan ri mentah. Tapi bagi ak rubiang. Kan balayo ak rubiang nama apa? Ini kisutu bakal tagdan kata gimana itu kata. Renga hakawai kasni. Ngakwa ba excel lesu hakapor jengala ni hakapor jengki wairo. Ngam expect bagi aktor kidong. Ka fees junga gadai X amount. Lada P code yang ya lada P code telah banpet dah kuai. Yang aku makan tu hiu, nong senaflin ni tu jadi. Season baru ada hanya di mut bankas yang lain no. Katung gajing demand juga skrip umat saya makot hiu ta. Lada umkot hiu ta kalau mut lah compromise no. Bat katung kat demand juga skrip. Dengan aku akan IMC ni aktor, director hi lalu producer. Season baru approach yang lain no. Kamu dulu asal tu baka ini nong ak hab bat katakan skrip. Namun bantong kimdai banting harta kapua kata kalabian dari industri buat bantong ni expect kata. Itu nak kalian jongi kum ka Filmmaker Association rengkat bagi mau bagi week national film. Let's say ni kuah banpa ikan kubur lingba iba robat ru barang lain jongi kum kaseng ni ai kublai ka sokar. Nak kita jadi ke grand bat kunjuru ke helom ni kalian. But mentah keladan dulu ke second phase ini ni I play pi yaitu segi bond